Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready to complete the UFO middle sound mystery? Great. You're going to need a couple of supplies. You need the picture cards with the UFO on it. You need your recording sheet and a pencil. If you don't have those items, go and get them now. Okay, let's look at one card at a time. This happens to be card number 1. That's important to know because I will record my answer on the recording sheet on number 1. Look at the picture down here in this circle. It is a bus. Now we need to figure out what the middle sound of bus is. It starts with a B and ends with an S. So I'm going to say it slowly. You can do the same. B-U-S. What do you hear in the middle? Do you hear an A, an E, an I, O, or U? Write down the sounds that you hear. The B is there. I'm going to do it on number 1. So B, the middle sound you hear, and the S. When you're done writing this one, put that card back and get another card. Continue going until you have completed all 10 of the mysteries. When you're all done, take a picture and send it to your teacher. Thank you for helping to solve the UFO middle sound mystery.